All right, so we are on the Voyager of the Seas. This is going to be interior cabin 8673. It's been a long time since we've been inside of an interior cabin, so really looking forward to seeing everything that they have to offer. So this is just kind of as you first walk in. Over here we've got the door. Over here's the bathroom. We'll take a look at that in a second, but the first thing we notice when we come in is a closet with a ton of space. Life jackets at the bottom. We do have a lot of coat hangers, so if you're someone who likes to hang things up like me, plenty of coat hangers there. I believe these are also pull down racks, which is really nice. Close these up. I will say I was really surprised how much storage was here. For example, these little mirrors that are here, we've got storage there. There's another set that's right here that we've got some storage for. Cabinets up here with a couple of different shelves. This one here, which is right above the TV, has the safe, and maybe something if you've got some papers or maybe cell phones or things, iPads, you can put them in there, but plenty of storage there. Over here we've got a cooler. It's not a full-blown refrigerator, but if you keep things in long enough, they will get cold. Plenty of space for a couple of bottles of wine, or if you're looking to put some sodas in there, it's going to be great, but there is no freezer. Over here, drawers, trash can, more drawers, even a center drawer right here. The announcement channel, which is where they do all of the announcements to let you know what's going on or when we're going to be docking, anything important. You can turn it on and off or turn it up there. Looks like these are taped over. I'm not sure what these would normally be for, but we've got the 230 volt European style outlets. Then over here, we've only got two 120 volts, and then that's for some lighting over here. Moving this way, we do have this set up to be a king-size bed. Over here, we've got an end table with a telephone and a drawer. Over here, we've got another end table with a drawer and some space to slide some, shoes or whatever you need on your end table. Plenty of space under the bed for your luggage. In fact, all of our suitcases are under there right now. Little love seat that's here. You will notice, though, here's my hand. There's almost no space between the love seat and the bed. So you're going to kind of have to jump on to get, same thing over here. Not a ton of space to walk by, but the room is roomier than I thought that it would be. Full length mirror here. Let's check out the bathroom. Of course, we got the standard cruise ship Royal Caribbean style toilet that's there. Standing shower with the glass sliding doors that come both ways. It's kind of like a capsule. Air and body wash that's in there. And then, as always, they've got the handle type shower head. But no bathtub in this particular one. We've got some towels, rack space up here. Yep. A couple of areas here for your toiletries. Then we've got a sink over here, a couple of glasses. This is not a storage area, it's just a mirror. We've got tissues, extra toilet paper, trash can, a couple extra bath towels and bath mats, another receptacle bin there, some Salt and Breeze soap. But yeah, overall, pretty good first impressions. Let me see how comfortable is the bed. Oh yeah, bed's not bad at all. This is going to be a great trip. This is going to be perfect for 4 nights. I think if I was here for a 7-night or longer, I might opt for something that is either ocean view, or they have those promenades where it's still technically interior, but it does have a window right here. But for this cruise, it's going to be absolutely perfect. Really excited about it. Let me know. Have you ever stayed in a Royal Caribbean interior cabin? What were your thoughts on it? Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel so that you can keep up with all of our adventures on the Voyager of the Seas. Until next time, we'll see you.